Hi, today we're going to talk about internal rate of return, also called IRR. It's a discount rate which equates present value of cash inflows to present value of cash outflows. It means the NPV is zero at this rate of return. It assumes cash flow reinvest rate is IRR, whereas the NPV and assumes cash flows are reinvested at the required rate of return. So that's a subtle difference between the IRR method and the NPV method. If IRR is greater than the discount rate, that means that project should be accepted because it results into positive NPV and it increases the shareholders wealth. If the discount rate is greater than the IRR, it results into negative NPV and it decreases the shareholder wealth. Hence, that project should be rejected. There could be multiple problems with the IRR because the IRR method can yield a different result than NPV method. In case of a mutual exclusive projects, IRR method may give a conflicting result than NPV because the initial cash flows are different or timing of cash flows may be different. And IRR may produce a multiple IRR. There could be multiple IRR which equates the present value of inflows, cash flow to present value of cash outflows. So it's kind of a very difficult, like out of multiple IRR, which IRR should be chosen. And sometimes there could be no IRR due to mathematical equation problem. So in those cases, IRR is not a suitable method, and PV method should be chosen in deciding the project, which should in deciding the project's priorities and choosing the conflicting projects. So let's go back to our example here. This is what we talked about in our last section. In this example, we have $1,000 we invested in the beginning of the project, and these were the positive cash flow. And we computed this NPV was $54 because it was negative. Then we concluded this project shouldn't be accepted. The rate of interest is 10% in this example. So let's calculate the IRR in this method. So as you can see, this is emulator of calculator, and here we can compute IRR by clicking on compute IRR. So IRR comes here around 8.14, and this 8.14 is less than that our 10%. So we can say that since our IRR 8.14, which we calculated is less than 10%, so this project shouldn't be accepted. Thank you.